Science and Technology. Class 10. Classification of living beings. 2.2 Classification of Flora. Flora refers to the population of plant life and natural vegetation, which includes fungi, algae, and indigenous plants, in a specific geographical place or time. Flora, also known as the goddess of flowers, represents the entire plant kingdom. Based on whether plants have a well-differentiated body and the presence or absence of specialized tissues for transport, and the ability to bear seeds. Kingdom Plantae, plant kingdom, can be classified into different divisions. The features and examples of each division are mentioned below. 1. Division Thallophyta, algae. These are the lowermost plants of the plant kingdom, without a well-differentiated body design called thallus. This means that the plant body is not differentiated as roots, stem, and leaves. They are commonly called algae, are permanently aquatic. Examples include Spirogyra, Eulothrix, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eulothrix, Fucus etc. 2. Division Bryophyta. 1. These are small terrestrial plants. 2. The body of a plant is thallus, while the body of a plant is divided into rhizomes, stems and simple leaves. 3. They do not have any specialized tissue to conduct water and other substances. 4. They live in damp and sandy habitats and need water for their sexual reproduction, so referred as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. 5. Sporophytic and gametophytic stages, which are completed one after the other alternatively in the life cycle of same plant. 5. It is called alternation of generations. 6. In their life cycle, gametophytic generation is long-term or dominant and independent. Examples are Regia, Hunaria, and Machantia. 3. Division Tracheophyta. Division Tracheophyta, also known as the vascular plants, is a group of plants that possess specialized tissues called xylem and phloem, which enable them to transport water, nutrients, and other substances throughout the plant body. This division includes the Pteridophyta, ferns, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. 3. Subdivision Pteridophyta. 1. These are supposed to be the oldest vascular plants. 2. The plant body is differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves, apart from having a specialized tissue for conduction. 3. This tissue helps in the conduction of water and other substances from part of the plant to the other. 4. On the backside of the leaves of these plants there are many yellow dots, which are called sori, singular sorus. 4. The sporangium in the sorus produces spores. 4. Not all leaves may have. 4. A leaf that has spores is called a sporophyll and a leaf that does not is called a tropophil. 4. Because they produce spores, these plants are called sporophytes. 5. After the spore moves to the ground, it becomes a gametophyte called prothallus. 6. Gametophytes produce both male and female gametes for sexual reproduction. 7. Their life cycle also has alternation of generations. 7. In such plants the sporophytic phase is dominant and long-lasting. 8. These plants have naked embryos called spores. 8. The reproductive organs in these plants are inconspicuous. Examples: Unu fern, neurofiddlehead fern, pani amla, ground gooseberry, lycopodium, lycopodium, Sijaginella, Selaginella tennis, teres. Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Tracheophyta are together called as cryptogams as they are non-seed-bearing plants.